Welcome to Jade SOFTECH. Let us discuss about SAP ABAP question and answer. What is meant by ALV application list viewer programming in SAP ABAP? The ALV of application list viewers is used for improving the report output. We can allow the set of ALV functional modules with the help of SAP, and those will be used to improve the functionality and reliability of any output of the report. It is a relevant tool used for arranging the columns in the output of a report. Application developer can quickly implement structured dataset display with the help of ALV by providing three different tools of ALV, one each of the display of three structures, simply and two dimensional tables, and hierarchical list. The SAP ALV provides application developers with an object-oriented API for all ALV tools. The API which is coherent, detecting the error during programming as early as possible. Functions for accessibility will be in integration with ALV, which implies the no need of providing these functions yourself while using your application. Thank you for watching.